the annoying thing, like annoying me. I can't. I grounding and bounding the right way, because a lot of fires happen from this exact mistake. If you're learning the trade or a homeowner trying to understand your panel, you're in the right place. Before we wrap up, I just want to share something quick. I'd like to welcome you guys back to the channel. Thank you guys for tuning in to tonight's live stream, as I'm going to be breaking down code rules uh, going over playing some videos tonight. So again, as you guys come in, don't forget to leave a like on the channel. Very important. Welcome back to the channel, everyone, and I'd like to thank you guys all for stopping in today to support the very important for tonight's live stream. Just hit the like button, share the stream, share the live stream, leave a comment in the comment section. And again, I'd like to give a shout out to Wifey Kim. Hope all is well. And yeah.
So this is just a little patch that I had to remove here. Obviously, this is not going to match back up, so I'm not going to reinstall this. But this one I've reinstalled. So again, thank you guys for tuning into the video, and please don't forget to like up the video. You can also become a member of the channel, and you can also subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.
So in this video, what we have is simply I will be changing out my switches as the switches are defective, and as we all know, with defective switches comes problems. You can even sustain electrical shock from the defective switches. With the face of the switch removed, a lot of times we don't care for these things, but these things can end up hurting. So these are the photos are just work that I normally do on a daily basis. It can be anywhere from pipe work to pop lights, you name it, I do it. So again, just sit back and enjoy the full video.
Hey folks, let's dive into today's video, which is simply going to be the fundamental of troubleshooting an electrical circuit. I will be showing you the steps I take to get this done. Thanks for reaching out to me, Trill. So basically, I will be taking my hot, which is black, and my white, which is neutral, and placing them together. Please do not try this with your power on, as it can become dangerous. Also folks, go ahead and hit that notification button and stay tuned for my other videos on troubleshooting.
You can also head to the comment section and stay up to date in my community posts, and leave a comment in the comment section telling me if this video was helpful to you or not. Thank you. Hello and welcome back to the channel, and I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. Also, as you come in, please don't forget to like up the video, very important, and you can also share the video. You can also become a member of the channel, and you can also subscribe to the channel. So in today's video, what we have is simply a roughing that was done throughout the home. So this is basically a walkthrough of the finishing, before finishing, before the drywall goes up. As you can see, you'll see all my wires are neatly strapped. When it comes to my wires going through the 2x8, it's dead in the center. There's a code rule on that also. You'll also see I have some speaker wires, pot lights, the whole 9 yards, security wiring for the home. We have some TV outlets, data outlets, 2 game bots. We have the washroom. In here is going to be an office, and as you can see, the receptacles are going to be coming out through the baseboard, and we have here we have 1 floor receptacle. And as we go into the washroom, we have fans, 4 pot lights, we have LED mirror, a GFI receptacle, toilet receptacle. We have our switches also by the door. So as I said, this is filled with lots of stuff, the entire home. As we go into this room here, you'll see same thing, my receptacles. There's no box on them because they're going to be coming out of the baseboard. That's where the receptacle is going to be placed. In here, you're going to have LED strip lights at the top, so you can see my switches neatly supported on both sides according to the code. In here also is filled with security wiring also. There's going to be a heater here.
I said it's the correct way of doing it. What you guys do, just bring wire and then just connect it just like that. Bring the house. That way we'll burn the house.
Hello and welcome back all my viewers and subscribers. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. So again, please don't forget to like up the video as you come in also. And in today's video, what we have is a 400 amp panel being installed, and the steps that I go about to make sure that the 400 amp panel is installed correctly by simply securing the bolts in all 4 corners, making sure that it's secure and firm, no movement on the wall. And then you have the 2x4, which is simply for the moisture from getting into the back of the panel, to prevent the damage of the components, or to prevent malfunction of the panel. So again, just sit back and enjoy this video, and I'll catch you guys in between the videos. So hello, welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. And again, what we simply have here is a 400 amp installation of the main panel using 250 kc mil parallel feeds to power up this unit. So again, just sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll catch you guys in between the videos. So hello and welcome back to the channel, and as we wind down to the video, this portion of a few more videos that I have lined up, please don't forget to like up the video. Also, you can leave a comment in the comment section. And again, this installation was about a 400 amp installation of the main service coming into the home. And the way I go about the using my code rules in order to do my installation up to code. So again, for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe. You can also leave a comment in the comment section. You can also become a member of the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. So hello and welcome back to another exciting video that I have lined up. So again, this is a installation of the 400 amp service that's being installed using parallel feeds to power up this unit. 250 kc mil wire 2 times in order to have my 400 amp service. So again, what you will see me doing in this video is simply trying to install my cable into the panel. So again, for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe. You can also leave a comment in the comment section, and you can also become a member of the channel also. So again, just sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll catch you guys in between video. So again, what you're going to simply see me doing here is bringing my ladder closer in order to work efficiently and to avoid any injuries. So I simply brought my ladder up a little bit closer. That way I can get right on top of the panel, so I'm not stretching more than 5 feet away. Very important to remember the safeties when you're going about your daily tasks. So again, just sit back and enjoy the video. And again, for all those who hasn't hit the like button, go ahead and like up the video, and I'll catch you guys in between the video. So hello, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video what we have going on here is an installation of a 400 amp main service that's being installed using the 400 amp panel required by the code. So again, also using 250 kcml wire twice parallel feeds in order to power up this service. Very important to make sure that you select the proper cable. You also have the proper panel with the proper labeling on the panel door. So again, just sit back and enjoy the video, and also don't forget to like up the video, and we'll see you guys in between the video. So what we simply have here is a connector that I'm going to be using in order to install my cables properly and up to the code. So hello, welcome back to the channel, and again, as you guys come in, don't forget to like up the video. Very important to make sure that you hit that like button. And again, I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. So please just sit back and enjoy the video that I have, and again, just enjoy the whole entire video to the end. This
Okay. Hey everyone, welcome back to Fabian Electrical Services Inc. In today's video, we're diving into some real electrical troubleshooting, testing, and labeling techniques, and also whether you're working on a basement install, a 400 amp service, or just learning how to test your outlets with a plug-in tester, you're in the right place. Also, we're going to be diving into the world of 400 amp installation of the electrical panel. I'll be showing you step by step how to stay code compliant, how I use my go-to electrical tools, and why labeling your panel correctly can save you big time on service calls. So stay locked in, and if you're watching this later, drop your questions in the comments. So what we have here is a 400 amp electrical panel installation. Again, this panel is a 400 amp electrical panel. It's not your normal electrical panel. Again, this is filled with a special breaker that trips out in the event of any major thing to go wrong. So this job is located in the basement of the home. And again, as you see the panel, I stayed within my code compliance, which is using my sheet of plywood before I install my panel. Reason why I did that was because inside of the basement is going to be damp, and I cannot have any water seeping through my panel. It's going to be a big issue. So for that reason, I have to have the 2x4 placed on the back of the wall. Reason that is placed there was because at the time of installation, the homeowner was not going to be framing out that wall. Now, how you see the installation right now is not how it's going to look right now. It's going to be tremendously different from what you're seeing. So again, don't pay attention to the wires that's hanging all over. Again, this is just how we have to sometimes pull our cable in when we're trying to get the job finished. But the actual electrical installation has to pass the electrical code. It has to be in code compliance. So at the end of the day, when it comes down to the final inspection, I have to make sure that this job is going to pass inspection with flying colors. So all of the wires that you see here, they all go for different electrical circuits. They all go different places throughout the home. All of the installation was done before any of the major equipment was going into the home. When it comes to labeling, you're going to see me right now. So when it comes to labeling, you're going to see that I'm going to be installing my circuits. It's very important to make sure that you have your circuits all tagged properly before the installation to the panel. What ends up happening is if the wires are not labeled properly or in the correct manner, everything is going to become a mess. You're going to start to have to actually troubleshoot. You're going to start to have to actually need your plug-in tester. So why go through the hassle of having to do all of that when you can simply take the time out right now to do the job proper? So the electrical tools, when it comes to my electrical tools for a job like this, I like to have my major electrical tools with me, whether it be a ratchet set, because as you know, this is a 400 amp service. It's a pretty heavy panel. The installation has to be perfect. The bolts has to be the proper bolts in order for this panel to stay secure onto the wall. So all of that is within the code compliance. Tools that I like to use or I have to have on a job like this is sawzall, bandsaw, my drills, my pliers, my ratchets, and don't forget the ratchet. The ratchet is very important. Reason why the ratchet is very important is because it's going to cut your wires pretty fast. It's going to also leave you feeling a little bit better because of the usual pain that we sustain when we're using something that's totally different than the ratchet. So that's why it's very important to have your proper tools. So again, also, this is a basement installation. This panel is located in the basement. So these wires that I'm tying in, and I'm going to be tying in into the panel, has been all relocated. What ended up happening was I relocated all of these wires to the side of the panel. So hopefully when this video is dropped and you go through my other videos, you will probably see that this was cleaned up, or on my next live stream on the job, you will see that this electrical room is a lot different from what it is right now. So again, I would like to thank you guys all for taking the time out and tuning into Fabian Electrical Services, where we have real work performed on a daily basis with a lot of videos being dropped. So you can also again catch me on my next live stream when I go live. You can subscribe to the channel. You can become a member of the channel. You can stay up to date for Fabian Electrical Services work. Also, I hope whoever has tuned into the video, I hope this video was helpful. And again, this video is about electrical installation of the 400 amp panel and how end of the job, which is going to cost time. So hello, welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to tonight's live stream. Again, as you guys come in, don't forget to like up the live stream, please and thank you. Really appreciate it. You can also share the live stream, comment the channel as I go into the next phase of the live stream pretty soon. So again, as you guys come in, don't forget to like up the live. tuned into Fabian Electrical Services Inc. Again, as you guys come in, don't forget to like the live stream. And also, I have a stream goal. If you guys can support the movement, that'd be great. If comments during the live stream also.
So let's dive into it. So today's video is about installing our electrical lighting, installation of the lighting. And again, when it comes to lighting, we always have to follow our code book, stay within the code compliance. Reason being is, like I said, everything that we as electricians, or whether it be master electrician, journeyman, apprentices, DIYs, whoever it may be, whatever we do, it has to be to code. Code is a major part of our industry, and without the code, of course, there's a lot of hazards that can take place. So when it comes to our lighting, how I like to go about my electrical installation, I like to simply, do a couple of lighting circuits on the floors. That way, if they happen to be an outage of power of some sort, or the panel for some reason loses power on half of the one side, we do have that where the electrical panel can lose power on one side. At least the circuits, the other lighting circuits can still be livened up and still continue to work. So for this reason, when I'm doing my electrical installation, I always make sure that I have more than one lighting circuit on the floors. Again, this is how I like to do my installation. It's very important that we understand that when it comes to the electrical installation, that it has to be also up to code. And also when it comes to our smoke detectors, or electrical smoke detectors, we have to make sure that we maintain power from the lighting system. Very important. The power for all smoke detectors in Canada is picked up from your lighting circuit. It doesn't come from anything else. Reason for that is basically if there is, like I said, power outage, or the circuit is not working for some reason, it is going to show that it is on the lighting circuit, and we are going to know that power has failed. So that's one of the major reasons why we normally do our electrical installation with the lighting and the smoke detectors. Again, I'm not sure how other states do it, but this is how we go about our installation. It is a code compliance. It is in the code book. Again, everything we do, everything we touch, has to be within the code compliance, has to stay within the so maybe a lot of you may be asking, why do I do it that way? Well, it is because my lighting circuit, like I said, I like to have more than one lighting circuit on every level. It doesn't matter. It can be the first floor, second floor, or the basement. This is how I go about doing my electrical installation. It is above and beyond. It's nothing wrong with going above and beyond when it comes to doing your electrical. At least you're staying in compliance with the code rules. And it is no harm in doing that at all.
So again, for all the DIYs, the electrical journeymans, the electrical apprentices, and you know, electricians, this one is for you. Definitely, this is a video that you might want to tap into and see how I normally do my electrical installation. Very important also to remember that once you are actually finish your electrical installation when it comes to the electrical lighting and your smoke detectors, to also make sure that you label the panel with the smoke and the lighting combined. Reason being is at the end of the job, that is one requirements that the inspector is going to want to see at the panel. He's going to want to see that it is labeled in that manner. And again, like I said, rather than troubleshooting at the end of the job, because we all know troubleshooting takes us time and takes a lot of time from us, and it's just wasted time that we don't actually need to do. And for that reason, I like to label my wires before I even walk away from the panel. When I pull my cables over, my electrical wires are already labeled, ready to go. That way, when I'm ready to land them or install them inside of the electrical panel, whether it be a 400 amp panel, 100 amp panel, 200 amp panel, it is already labeled the wire. It's very easy for me to just put my wires in and connect them to the breaker that I need to connect them to, not being that you not using the wrong electrical breaker also matters. We have to make sure that we have the proper breaker on there. We have to make sure that we're not putting a 30 amp breaker, for instance, on a number 12 wire. You're simply going to burn that wire out. So these are all stuff that we have to follow within the code rule and stay within state code compliance. It's not something that we get up on a daily basis and just go and do. We do have to open up the code book. A lot of us already will know from previous jobs that, hey, this is how we're going to actually do our work. A lot of times we do get the change of the rules during the year. We don't really know until there is a update that there was an injury of some sort, and that's when they will go about changing their rules to protect and make it fit, so no one else is injured. So again, I would like to thank you guys all for tuning in to Fabian Electrical Services. And again, here at Fabian Electrical Services, we like to stay within the code compliance, following the code rules. And also for all those who has tuned in, don't forget to like up the video, please and thank you. You can also subscribe to the channel, or you can become a member of the channel to stay up to date to my future content that's about to be landed. And again, I'm working on the store that's about to be landed also. And I will catch you guys on the next live.
So again, hello, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys all for tuning in to tonight's live stream. Again, as you guys come in, don't forget to like up the live, helps with the channel.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. And again, as you come in, don't forget to like up the video, please and thank you. Very important. And again, what we have here is simply a roughing that's going to be taking place.
And when it comes to the attic, the installation has to be done to code along with every other installation, same process. And what that means is my 2x4 that I have here, I'm going to be simply placing this 2x4 across the from one end to the other. Reason is I have some wires that I don't want to be damaged. When I say damage, I don't need it to be damaged by someone walking inside of the attic when the installation is finished. Very easy for someone to damage these wires. So the rule states that you have to use some type of running board in order to protect our wires from being damaged, and that's what I'm simply going to be doing in this video. As you can see, the other running board up in the ceiling here, you can see how I place the running board. You can see how I place my wires on the side, neatly strapped down. Again, this is all to the electrical code. This will also help me pass my inspection. So again, stay tuned to the video, watch till the end to see the rest of the installation. And again, keep in mind, this will help me to pass my inspection once I'm ready to book my inspection. So again, as you guys come in, don't forget to like up the video. Please and thank you for like up the video. Again, what I'm doing is placing my running boards in the attic of the home, which will allow me to pass my inspection. Normally, that's what the attic work. Once the installation is finished and the process is done, there's no telling who's going to walk into the attic, so it's best to always have this done before the drywall is installed. This is what I'm putting. It's a running board. Anytime you have the attic, you have to put a running board to protect your wires from being damaged. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. As you can see, it's a high ceiling. So I have to install a running board across wherever my wire is running, so I can obviously protect the wires from being damaged if someone has to walk in the attic or anything like that.
basically this is how
Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video what I'm simply going to be showing is how I like to place my boxes before I start my wiring. Also how I like to put my vapor barrier in the attic when it comes to my boxes. Very important. And again, for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You can also make sure that the notification is turned to all. Also, you can like and share the video, and stay tuned for the entire video, and I will catch you guys on the next live.
I just want to share something quick. We're also coming together to help families in Jamaica who really need support right now. If you feel moved to contribute, or even just share the link, the community link is pinned in the chat.
So hello again and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys for checking into Fabian Electrical Services Inc. Again, in today's installation, we're going to jump right into it. What I'm going to be doing in the installation is I'm going to be installing my electrical boxes for my electrical conduits. These conduits are going to be for my generator feed, generator backup that's going to be installed inside of the home. And what a generator backup does is it simply, once your power has been lost, it's going to kick right in, and it's going to shoot your power back on. Again, you're going to also need, along with the generator, you're going to also require the main generator itself that's going to be located on the outdoor of the home, all staying within the code compliance with the installation. So this is simply a box. The reason for the electrical box is I cannot use my core line. It's called my electrical conduit that I have. It's basically core line, and I cannot use that on the outdoor. So I have to transition everything over. And the tools that I'm going to be using to do this job is a pair of 10 snips. I'm going to be using my file to file down the holes once the hole is cut. Normally we will use a hole saw to make the hole, but for some reason I didn't have the hole saw, so I had to use my 10 snips in order to get the hole cut. This box again is going to be for the installation of the electrical generator that's going to be located on the outdoor beside of the main electrical meter base for the home. So with this installation, it comes also with the cables that you have to pull. You also have to have your low voltage wiring for the electrical installation when it comes to the generators. Always staying in compliance with your electrical code rules. It's very important to make sure that you understand where to find these rules and apply them to the job when it's necessary. Again, for the installation, I'm not sure the type of cable that I'm going to be installing as yet. As the main service, it is a 400 amp incoming feed, and again, all the whole home is probably not going to be it's probably not going to need to have the backup generator running just for the certain circuits that you need. It's all up to the individual if they want to have the whole entire home on the backup generator. Again, this service is inside of the basement of the home, inside of the room where it's going to be is going to have it's going to have some sort of covering at the end of the installation, so when you walk into the basement, you're not going to see the installation straight. It's going to be hidden. Obviously, it has to be accessible by the code, staying in code compliance. Has to be accessible. All junction boxes, all electrical boxes, octagon boxes, wherever you make a joint, make a connection of your electrical wires, has to be accessible once the work is finished. It also has to have a cover plate placed on the face of the box. You also have to use your morettes when it comes to making your joints secure and firm. You also require the proper connectors to be used, proper couplings, whatever it may be, for the application, for the electrical installation. You have to make sure that you have all proper material on the job site when the installation is being performed. It's best to always double check your electrical code book to make sure that you stay within your code compliance rules. You can obviously go above and beyond once it doesn't interfere with your budget on the job site. Very important to always keep that in mind. Also, it's very important to make sure that you calculate what size wire you're going to be using for the installation, what electrical boxes are going to be used, what electrical conduit are going to be used, whether it be liquid type, PVC conduit, the whole even NMDW. It's always best to make sure that you figure out what type of wire, size of wire, breaker size you're going to be installing before you obviously start the electrical installation. And again, this is the 2-inch conduit, electrical PVC, Corline. It's called. The trade name we normally use is Corline. So this is a 2-inch pipe, and the other pipe that's above is a 3/4. So that pipe is going to be for the high voltage line that's going to be going to the actual generator transfer switch. So now that you have seen the electrical conduit, this is the electrical conduit that I mentioned that cannot be used on the outdoor. So for this reason, I'm going to be installing the electrical box. It is a 8x8 box, I believe, 8x8 electrical box that I'm using. And again, this box is going to be simply placed for a matter of connections. instead of using the conduit that's not required to be used on the outdoor by code rules, staying within the code compliance. We also have to remember that the code book overrules the installation, and it's best to have the proper installation before it's inspected. Once the inspector arrives on the job, you don't want to have a defect on the job. So it's always best to make sure that your electrical installation stay within the code compliance rules. And once you find yourself staying within your code compliance rules, you're not going to have any issues with the inspector at all. A lot of my work, a lot of my electrical installations, a lot of them I either know my rules by heart, or I somehow have to search them. And it's best to take the time out to do your research before you even book for an inspection. Once the inspector arrives on the job, if for some reason there is a defect, the electrical installation has to be up to par with the code compliance rules. So you're going to have to somehow fix the electrical installation before you can have it passed. So like I said, it's always best to make sure while you're doing your installation, double check your code book, make sure everything is good to go. So again, I would like to thank you guys all for tuning in to Fabian Electrical Services, and all my fans who've followed me throughout this time. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in, and please, for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you become a member. Stay up to date for more content that I'm about to drop, and I will catch you guys on the next video.
Hello and welcome back to the channel, and I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. Also, as you come in, please don't forget to like up the video, very important, and you can also share. Hello and welcome back to the channel, and I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. Also, as you come in, please don't forget to like up the video, very important, and you can also share the video. You can also become a member of the channel, and you can also subscribe to the channel. So in today's video, what we have is simply a roughing that was done throughout the home. So this is basically a walkthrough of the finishing, before finishing, before the drywall goes up. As you can see, you'll see all my wires are neatly strapped. When it comes to my wires joined through the 2x8, it's dead in the center. There's a code rule on that also. You'll also see I have some speaker wires, pot lights, the whole 9 yards, security wiring for the home. We have some TV outlets, data outlets, 2 game bots. We have the washroom. In here is going to be an office, and as you can see, the receptacles are going to be coming out through the baseboard. And we have here we have 1 floor receptacle. And as we go into the washroom we have fans, 4 pot lights, we have LED mirror, GFI receptacle, toilet receptacle. We have our switches also by the door. So as I said, this is filled with lots of stuff, the entire home. As we go into this room here, you'll see same thing, my receptacles. There's no box on them because they're going to be coming out of the baseboard. That's where the receptacle is going to be placed. In here you're going to have LED strip lights at the top, so you can see my switches neatly supported on both sides according to the code. And here also is filled with security wiring also. There's going to be a heater here, built-in heater. As we go around the ceiling, you can see my wires 2x4 placed on the top to stop the nails from going through or puncturing the wires once they start to install their Hello and welcome back to the channel, and I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning into today's video. Also, as you come in, please don't forget to like up the video, very important. And you can also share the video. You can also become a member of the channel, and you can also subscribe to the channel. So in today's video, what we have is simply a roughing that was done throughout the home. So this is basically a walkthrough of the finishing, before finishing, before the drywall goes up. As you can see, you'll see all my wires are neatly strapped. When it comes to my wires joined through the 2x8, it's dead in the center. There's a code rule on that also. You'll also see I have some speaker wires, pop lights, the whole 9 yards, security wiring for the home. We have some TV outlets, data outlets, 2 game bots. We have the washroom. In here is going to be an office, and as you can see, the receptacles are going to be coming out through the baseboard. And we have here we have 1 floor receptacle. And as we go into the washroom we have fans, 4 pot lights, we have LED mirror, GFI receptacle, toilet receptacle. We have our switches also by the door. So as I said, this is filled with lots of stuff, the entire home. As we go into this room here, you'll see same thing, my receptacles. There's no box on them because they're going to be coming out of the baseboard. That's where the receptacle is going to be placed. In here you're going to have LED strip lights at the top, so you can see my switches neatly supported on both sides according to the code. And here also is filled with security wiring also. There's going to be a heater here, built-in heater. As we go around the ceiling, you can see my wires 2x4 placed on the top to stop the nails from going through or puncturing the wires once they start to install their drywall. This room here is a washroom, another washroom. So again, washroom, I have my pot lights, I have my fan, I have 2 pendant lights coming down, I have my GFI, I have my LED mirror, receptacle. In here there's no toilet receptacle because it doesn't call for one. This is some type of apparently new system. It's the first time I've seen it. You have your 2 game bots. This is a 3 game bots, excuse me. As you can see, I have my wires stapled. Here's another receptacle. There's about 6 spotlights in here. One LED strip light circuit is going to be provided inside of the room, along with 2 switches. As you can see, my 2-gang box is always supported to code. So again, as we wind down to the end of the video, please don't forget to like up the video. You can also share the video, subscribe to the channel, become a member, and again, I'll catch you guys on the next video.
For those who are now checking into the live stream, don't forget to like up the live stream as you come in, and you can also share the live stream. You can also leave a comment in the comment section, as I'm going to be running down to my last playing my last couple of videos.
Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. As you come in, please don't forget to like up the video, very important. Also, you can share the video. You can also subscribe to the channel, and you can also become a member of the channel with the link being pinned in the comment section. Again, what I'm simply doing is preparing to remove this panel for a panel swap out. 100 amp to 100 amp. The new panel is going to be a heating panel, and the reason why I'm changing this panel out is because it's defective in the area where I am, the country where I am. It's a fire hazard, and also there's not enough space in the panel to do what I need to do with all of the new circuits that was brought in. So again, that's what I'm going to be doing right now. It's a panel swap out with the power being turned off from the hydro unit. So just stay tuned for the entire video, and I'll catch you guys in between the video. So again, hello, welcome back to the channel. So normally what I do when I'm doing a job like this is I normally get to the job site a little bit earlier so I can remove all of my wires, label them accordingly. That way when it comes to reinstalling my wires into the panel, I don't have to go troubleshooting throughout the house for the circuits to be labeled. And yes, of course, your cables and your circuits have to be labeled at the end of the job in order to have your inspection pass. That is the code rule, and there's no going around it. So again, just stay tuned for the entire video as I attempt to change out this panel without any issues occurring, any delays, so that the hydro can come back and turn the power on within the limited time that I have during the day. If I don't have this panel removed and reinstalled by the time hydro is ready, the customer will have to wait until the next day to have the power turned on, or there's an extra fee that will be charged for the late fees. So always try to keep that in mind. So as you can see, I have limited space to work with. This panel is a lot smaller than the other panel. This was built in before I even did the panel swap out. So again, with very limited space to deal with, I have to make sure that I can get my new panel inside of the inside of this area. Obviously, I would have did the measurements according to the newer panel to the older panel, and it's going to be a pretty tight job. There's not much room for me to play with inside of this area right here. And also, as you can see, I'm simply going to be removing this panel and taking out all the wires from the side of the panel, making sure that my wires, my older wires that I took out, are already labeled for the reinstall of the cable. So this is normal procedure what I'm doing right now, which is to try to remove my wires as fast as I can. Again, I don't have much time to play with when it comes to swapping out the panel. Also, just keep in mind that with limited time, there's very few mistakes that can be made. Even being, like I said, it's a panel swap out, and if everything is not done accordingly, the power will not be turned on. I will have to fix my defect in order to have the panel turned on. So again, like I said, this is the older panel that I'm dealing with right now, and with the older connectors that was used, pretty much gives you a lot of problems when it comes to trying to change out the panel with these older connectors being
screws and stuff like that on the other side of it. Very hard to play with. So for that reason, I have to take my time also to make sure that I do not make mistakes. It's very important. I don't want to make my wires are nicked and it touches the metal. Once I reinstall my wires, then it can have a sharp in it of some sort. So always try to avoid all of these little stuff that comes with the trade. So again, just sit back and enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll catch you guys in
the next
between
video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my videos, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.
So hello, welcome back to my channel, and what we simply have right here right now is going to be the installation of my cables and so on. This is a 400 amp main disconnect fusible, parallel feed being used. So hello again and welcome back to the channel. And again, reason why I'm installing this tape is because I have to identify my cable, which is the neutral that I'm trying to tape right now. 400 amp disconnect fusible is what's here right now. Reason being is because the panel is located more than a certain amount of feet from the meter base, and it is a code rule that states that if the panel is located more than a certain amount of feet from the outdoor meter base, you have to have a means of disconnect, and that's what's simply here. 400 amp fusible disconnect that's placed here, and reason being is, like I said, the panel is located on the other side of the home. Parallel runs is the set of cables that you will see coming in from the top, and that's going to be the line side. Bottom side is the load side. Always important to make sure that your grounding is tucked way on the back side, so there's no arcing when it comes to the main components also. And always make sure that the line and the load is not touching each other when it goes into the disconnect. So again, for all those who haven't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You can also leave a comment in the comment section. You can also become a member of the channel with the link being pinned in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Hello and welcome back, my viewers and subscribers, and in today's video we're going to dive into the world of roughening and what it takes to pass inspection, and of course what it takes to prep my wires from injuries occurring to others. So in today's video, what you simply have is running boards that I will be placing in the attic, required by code. And the normal procedure is basically when you have wires running in the attic, you basically have to place a running board beside or over your wires to cover your wires, to hide them, or on the side of the running board, which is the 2x4. And as you can see right here, I'm placing my 2x4 I have running across is where I have my wires, and I'm simply going to be protecting them from being damaged from anyone else who decides to go into the attic to do any type of work after. So again, for all those who has tuned into the video, please like and share the video, and also you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification is turned to all. That way when I release my videos, you can receive all of them, and I will catch you guys on the next video.
Hello and welcome back all my viewers and subscribers. I would like to thank you guys all for tuning into my videos and my live streams, and also staying up to date with my numerous videos that I put out. In today's video, what we simply have is a roughing, which I would have done. Roughing stage is very important for the roughing stage, as it defines how your electrical work will turn out, and also it's very important to secure your wires, whether by means of clips, tie wraps, whatever it may be, and also finishing it off with your boxes and stuff like that. So again, please sit back, relax and enjoy the video, and I will see you guys at the end of the video. As you can see here, this is an elevator. So this home is equipped with an elevator from the bottom of the from the basement all the way up to the top. So as my video winds down, I would like to thank all those who have subscribed to the channel, and all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification button, make sure it's on all so you can stay up to date to my content, and also leave a comment in the comment section, and I will catch you guys on the next video.
Okay, so basically what we have here is we're gonna have one electrical panel. If you see, you can see all my wires. They're neatly strapped down. Everything is to code. You have my feeder wire here. This is the mechanical room. You're gonna have furnace switch, light for the inside, switch for the inside. Then you have the electrical panel. Obviously it's covered because the guys were spraying. There's a second light here. You have a 20 amp receptacle. Then inside here, we're going to have some connections. This is basically going to be a niche. Okay. We have a washer and dryer. All my wires are neatly strapped. Gonna have some switches. I have a fan, some lights, vapor barrier. Go into this room. I have some plugs on the outside. TV and data. Okay, inside this room we have some pot lights. This is a closet. You can see my wires are neatly strapped. My holes are in the center of the studs, all by code. This here is the washroom. I have pot lights, one fan, shower pot lights, another wire for the niche, and mirror, receptacle for the toilet, heated floors, switches, lock, Wi-Fi.
So hello again. Welcome back to the channel. And again, I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning into today's live stream. Again, as you guys come in, don't forget to like up the live. Very important. This is going to be uh, uh, my last video. Also, for all those who are tuned in tonight, you can follow and the donation will be pinned right back to this channel. So again, this is going to be my last video. And again, for all those who are now tuning in, have Hurricane Melissa in Jamaica, and So hello again, welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live liking again. So this was a special live stream as I'm currently not subscribed. You can subscribe to the other channel, and again I'd like to give a shout out to wifey Kimmy. Hope all is well.